Welcome to this installation video. It will provide an overview of how to install the CAALA for Rhino plugin. There are two ways to install it. You can either download it from the website caala.de under Download and then download CAALA for Rhino. You can add your email address and then download the files. The other option is to use the Food for Rhino website. It's a platform for many apps for Rhino and Grasshopper. If you here type for CAALA, you can see the plugin, and after logging in, you can download the file here. It will save the file in your download folder. Here it's called CAALA-GH plugin version 6. Before installing it, the best option is to click with the right mouse, go to Options or Properties, and then on the lower field click Unblock. This will just make sure the installation goes correctly. Then you just double click on the installation file and continue with the installation. Okay, now CAALA is installed. Now you can start your Rhino version. Currently, CAALA works for Rhino 6 and 7. Then you start Grasshopper. And then under the CAALA tab, you should see two new icons. Now the easiest way to get started with CAALA is to use the examples that are provided in the installation files. To access them, you can go to File, Special Folders, Components folder. This will open a window in your Explorer. There you will see a new folder called CAALA. If you click inside, you will see a folder called Examples. In there, there's a Rhino file and a Grasshopper definition. Now to load them, you can just simply drag and drop them to the right window. In this case, we will take the Rhino file and move it to the Rhino window and say Open File, and it will show you a small sample building. Then you can take the Grasshopper definition and move it to the Grasshopper canvas. Now the installation is complete and you're ready to use CAALA. The next video will show you how to register in the software and how to carry out the first steps.